G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name is Ashley Rowan and I'm a financial planner with Consortium Private Wealth. In today's video we're going to be looking at the 5 biggest risks of investing into cryptocurrency. Now I've certainly noticed it in the news a lot recently. I believe Dogecoin has been making some headlines, and over the past month or so the Bitcoin price valuation has gone from record highs and come down and gone back up again, so quite a volatile investment. Now a number of clients have also asked our thoughts and recommendations in relation to cryptocurrency, and unfortunately we're not authorised to provide advice in that space, but to me it is a very high risk investment, similar to gambling, so I tend to stay clear of that. But that's not to say no one's made money off cryptocurrencies in the past. Now this presentation is just purely general information only, and if you need financial advice which is specific to your situation, best to go see a qualified financial planner. Now, number one risk with cryptocurrency is the fact that there's fewer safeguards. The platforms where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies are not regulated. You're not protected if the platform fails or is hacked. ICOs, initial coin offerings, are highly speculative investments, and many have turned out to be scams. It's even harder to get your money back if it turns out to be a scam and the ICO is from an overseas entity. Also, cryptocurrency failures in the past have lost investors significant amount of money. In most countries, cryptocurrencies are not recognised as legal tender. You're only protected to the extent that they fit in with existing laws, such as tax laws. Their values can fluctuate, so investing in virtual currencies and ICOs is highly speculative. Values can fluctuate significantly over short periods of time. The value of cryptocurrencies and ICOs depend on its popularity at any given time, which can depend on factors such as the number of people using it, also how easy it is to trade or use it, the perceived value of currency, its underlying blockchain technology. Now, scammers can use social media and messaging apps to push up the price of ICO tokens. They sell the tokens to other buyers at falsely inflated prices. This is often known as pump and dump schemes. Your money could be stolen. A computer hacker can steal the contents of your digital wallet. Now, a digital wallet has a public key and a private key, like a password or a PIN. However, digital currency systems allow users to remain relatively anonymous, and there is no central data bank. If hackers steal your digital currency or ICO tokens, you have little hope of getting it back. And also, you have no protection against unauthorized or incorrect debits from your digital wallet. Cryptocurrency scams. Now, scammers trick people into investing into fake opportunities to buy cryptocurrencies. Now, you need to watch out for the following tactics. False promises of very high returns, fake support from celebrities or government agencies, people who contact you through social media, using dating apps to establish a romantic connection and then gain trust, multiple or constantly changing bank accounts used for transfers. And finally, ICO schemes. Now, an ICO is a way a project can raise money over the internet. Now, you invest into an ICO by sending money or cryptocurrency to a blockchain project. In return, you receive digital tokens related to that project. Now, it can be difficult for regulators to make sure proper investment protections are in place because ICOs are sold internationally, available online, and usually paid for with cryptocurrencies. Some issuers disappear as soon as they've finished fundraising, which may indicate that it's actually a scam. When this happens, investors have very little or no chance of getting their money back. So as you can see, there's definite risk with investing into cryptocurrency. Shouldn't be seen as a get-rich-quick scheme. You may find that you will lose your money very easily, and it's similar to going to a casino and investing all on black. Do proper research, seek professional investment advice from an advisor, and be very wary of cryptocurrencies, as they're not the get-rich-quick scheme you hope it is. Thanks for watching.